guys, welcome back to Technova 5.0. Today we are going to discuss all the new changes in iOS 14 Beta 5. Following another 14-day testing window, Apple has introduced the 5th developer beta of iOS 14. Just as the previous betas, we will break down all the notable changes and features found in the beta and the latest update. Beta 5 doesn't appear to have any significant massive changes overall, but in our limited time testing, we can assure you it does feel much more stable than the previous notoriously buggy beta 4. Widgets receive minor update, new news widget size, exposure notification, hidden album. With all these comes the new iOS 14 beta 5. Starting off with the build number. It features a build number of 18A5351D. Hence, we are getting closer to A. As the beta testing period goes on, changes get smaller and less notable. But we have highlighted the new features that can be found. Starting off with the first feature, the all-new Apple News widget. So you can see an super extra large size Apple widget. The most largest widget in all widget gallery. And that's too of news. And this widget gives you all the details in super Excel size without opening the app. But yet it can only be added to today's view and not be taken to your home screen. Next up is the widget privacy. Now, for apps that use location and there is a widget for that app, will ask you before accessing your location. Going into privacy, location services, all the way down to weather, as weather has a widget of itself, you can see an all new option of while using the app or widgets. So now it's on you if you want to give your widget access to your location. And now this is really helpful for some, but yes, I would suggest turning it on to while using app or widgets to get the full use of the new widgets in iOS 14. Next, coming up to the clock wheel. Now, when you go to alarm, add a new alarm, you see you needed to type the time in the previous betas of iOS 14. But now it has an clock wheel introduced, which is really more comfortable and better and not confusing to get an perfect alarm, because while typing it was too confusing adding zeros or digits at the corner. Now coming on to exposure notification. As it was introduced in the previous beta and these can now be turned on, but yet you will require an API app to use this, and in your country it must not be available. So in India it is not yet available, so I can't set it up. Now coming on to the good feature helpful for a lot of people out there, that's the hidden album. Now you can hide the hidden album from your other albums tab in your Photos app. Going all over to settings, in Photos, you can see an all new toggle option of hidden album. When you toggle it off, hidden album will be hidden from the other albums folder. And this is really good for some of those who like to hide some of their personal photos from public. But yes, the ones who know how to find this can still find it on, so no password yet. Next, coming on to the HomeKit control center. I don't use any HomeKit device at my home, so I don't have that HomeKit control center here. But yes, you can see that the shortcuts tab are really smaller and provides access to many of them at the same time without opening the app. Now coming on to music. So music has an all new color background when playing any other music. But before that, a big news that Beats One is now known as Apple Music One. So Beats One radio station is known as Apple Music One radio station. So now when we go head over to play a song, an album, you can see an all new color which is more accurate and according to the picture of that song, and that's pretty fast. Next, in the music app, now some of the more albums in Listen Now are animated. Mostly all the Apple albums, Apple inbuilt or Apple made albums. Also, we can see some minor changes in the location of adding an album that are not notable, but yes, looks way more contrast and better than the previous betas. That's all new features available in iOS 14 beta 5. But now coming on to the widget fixes. The weather widget is fixed and updates at more appropriate intervals. Same goes with the clock widget. Earlier in beta 4, the clock widget was not matching the accurate time, but now it is. Coming on to battery charge. In the settings app, under the battery display, the last charge level section has been tweaked a bit. Rather than displaying the last charge level over the right of the interface, it's now displayed with the last charge wording to make it easier to see at glance. See, last charge to 99% 2 hours ago, and if I charge it to 99 2 hours ago and using it, it's 84%, and that's quite good according to a beta version. Also the spatial audio video. So when you have your AirPods Pro, so in the new 2DW7 version, spatial audio has been activated. Now spatial audio gives you a Dolby Atmos sound with your AirPods while watching any video. Also minor update, which is the picture-in-picture update, that the picture-in-picture now also has back come to 2 sizes. When playing any title, it will only have 2 sizes. So now when I go back to my home screen, playing, and then I go back, so it only has 2 sizes. Earlier it got 3 sizes, but only 2 sizes available in this beta, and I hope Apple will turn it back again to 2 sizes. This is all the performance, battery and feature change in iOS 14 beta 5. Stay tuned for the other videos, and if you like the content, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.